And here is so much of the problem. What makes you happy is so much different than what makes me happy. What makes me happy is not an image of a lifestyle, is not a way that's supposed to happen. So when I look at myself, when I really explore who I am, right? What motivates me? What's my purpose? What's my real passion? What's the real purpose? You know, what's my true ambition as a man? What's my past? What's influenced me? When I can look at that, I can then design how I'm going to get there, right? And so for somebody that just wants to go out there and communicate, let's say you have a plain old life. Well, you don't have a plain old life. You have a great life. You have an amazing life that's fulfilled. I mean, you know.
I do now.
So it's like you have so much there. Well, how do we get that out? How do we communicate it? That's why I said a guy who has some learning problems and a guy who has, like, quote unquote, everything together in his life, we're on the same level. Because once we get to the identity workbook, we explore ourselves. And then it's the same thing, we express ourselves.